Hey, it's Owen at Central Vacuum. Let's talk about mounting heights for your central vac inlets. In a traditional central vac system where you plug the hose into the wall inlet, usually those wall inlets are at electrical outlet height. I've even seen people put them about 24 inches off the floor if you want to eliminate bending down. But if you want to match the height of something else on the wall, that's going to be electrical outlet height. If the electrical outlets are in the baseboard, we can put the vacuum inlets in the baseboard too. Be very careful to account for the finished floor height and the baseboard height so that you nail that exactly. Being in Chicago, our electrical outlets are 4 square boxes with conduit and a horizontal mud ring. So rather than matching the center height, we match the bottom edge of our mud ring with the bottom edge of the electrical mud ring, providing a nice line on the wall and staying out of the danger zone of tall baseboards or wainscoting. So many systems today are retractable hoses because they're so convenient, people love them. And so with a retractable system, whether it's chameleon or Haida hose, you have to take into account that you're pulling the hose out of here. So when your piping run that holds the hose is below the valve, you want that valve lower on the wall. In this case, we've matched the bottom edge of this valve with the bottom edge of the electrical outlet. When your piping run is above, you don't want to be down here pulling the hose out, stooping down. You want that a little higher on the wall, and the next highest thing is usually light switch height. So you can put these at, in this case, 48 inches off the ground. Now it's easy to pull the hose out. If you're concerned about visibility, first of all, I don't think these are all that obtrusive. It's a flat white cover plate. You've got thermostats, cold air returns, outlet switches on your wall. These blend in more than any of that stuff, but it's still a concern, especially in higher end homes. 2 tricks. First is look for a spot around the corner. Instead of a main line of sight wall, you can place this around the corner inconspicuously. You can even put it in a closet. Nice little setup because you can open the closet door, your wand is right there, you pull the hose out, you vacuum. But the second height trick is put this at 32 to 36 inches off the floor. It's kind of in a middle zone that people don't look. You're looking down here at the electrical outlets and stuff, or you're looking up here at the light switches and stuff. Your eye seems to miss things that are in the middle of the wall. And the other nice thing is you can use this height, whether it's a down orientation or an up orientation, so that if you have a mix of up and down pipe runs in a home, all your valves can be at the same height, whether that hose is coming out from below or from above. Just let your installer know what your preference is, and you'll end up with a system that's easy to use and exactly as you're expecting it. Thanks for watching. Happy vacuuming.